A trembling hand dropped a small, shiny gold coin into the beggar's worn cup. Old Karim, known for his cheerful spirit despite his poverty, stared at the unexpected treasure. He had never seen so much wealth. His heart pounded. He could finally buy medicine for his ailing wife, or even a warm meal for a week. But then he remembered the kind shopkeeper, Remat, who often gave him day-old bread for free. And the village children who would share their fruit with him as he sat by the well. He thought of his small, leaky hut, which, despite its flaws, was his shelter from the storms. Karim looked at the coin again, then at the hungry faces around him, his decision forming. Instead of keeping it, he walked to the village baker and bought dozens of fresh loaves. He spent the entire afternoon distributing the bread to every hungry person he met, his face beaming with joy. When the coin was gone, he returned to his hut, feeling a warmth far greater than any gold could provide. True gratitude is not just appreciating what you have, but also sharing your unexpected blessings with others.
पुरानी बस एक चीख के साथ रुक गई, इसका इंजन आखिरी खांसी के साथ मर गया, करीब तरीन कस्बे से मीलों दूर। आयशा शहर में इम्तिहान देने वाली एक नौजवान तालिबा पर घबराहट की लहर छा गई। काफी देर हो चुकी थी और उसके फोन में कोई सिग्नल नहीं था। ऐन इसी वक्त एक बुजुर्ग शख्स एक छोटे लालटेन के साथ करीब के खेत से नमूदार हुआ। इसने आयशा की परेशानी भांप ली। बेटी यहाँ इंतजार करना बहुत खतरनाक है, इसने नरमी से कहा। मेरा छोटा सा घर बस इस रास्ते पर है, तुम रात वहां आराम कर सकती हो। आयशा हिचकिचा, इसे सिखाया गया था कि अजनबियों पर भरोसा न करे, लेकिन इसकी गर्म आंखों में कोई बदखाही नहीं थी। मायूस और थकी हुई इसने कबूल कर लिया। इसकी छोटी सी झोंपड़ी में बुजुर्ग, जिसका नाम रहमान था, ने इसे रोटी और दाल का सादा खाना पेश किया और सोने के लिए एक साफ चटाई दी। इसने किसी भी अदायगी से इनकार कर दिया। अगली सुबह रहमान इसे मरकजी सड़क तक ले गया जहां से इसे दूसरी बस मिली। आयशा ने इसका दिल से शुक्रिया अदा किया और उसकी मेहरबानी को कभी ना भूलने का वादा किया। साल गुजर गए। आयशा ने मेहनत की एक कामयाब मेमार बन गई और अक्सर इस मेहरबान अजनबी को याद करती थी। एक दिन जब वो एक फलाही क्लिनिक का दौरा कर रही थी जिसकी माली इमदाद में इसने मदद की थी, इसने एक कमजोर बुजुर्ग शख्स को अंदर लाते हुए देखा। ये रहमान था। खुशी और आंसुओं से भरपूर आयशा ने ज़ाती तौर पर यकीनी बनाया कि रहमान को बेहतरीन तिब्बी देखभाल और अपनी बाकी जिंदगी के लिए एक आरामदेह घर मिले। इस तरह इसने अपना वादा पूरा किया। एक नेकी का अमल जो बगैर किसी तवक्को के किया जाए, अक्सर गैर मुतवक्के और भरपूर तरीकों से वापस आता है।
A magnificent carving, almost complete, slipped from his arrogant grip and shattered into 100 pieces on the workshop floor. Master Akbar, the famed woodcarver of Lahore, stared in disbelief. His pride had just destroyed his latest masterpiece. Akbar had been celebrated for years, but recent triumphs had filled him with unbearable arrogance, convinced he was unmatched. A young apprentice, Raza, humbly suggested learning from the village potters, known for their simple yet enduring craft. Akbar scoffed, "What can a grand master learn from mere dirt and water? My art is of wood." He tried to carve again, but his hands felt heavy, his mind clouded by frustration. Every cut felt forced, nothing matched his vision. One evening, he watched Raza carefully shaping a simple clay bowl, movements calm and focused. A quiet strength emanated from the humble work. Swallowing his immense pride, Akbar approached Raza and quietly asked, "Can you teach me the basics of clay?" Raza, without a word, offered a lump. Days turned into weeks. Akbar learned to respect the material, starting with basic forms, finding peace and patience in the process. He returned to woodcarving with a new reverence, understanding that true mastery began with humility. His next creation was both beautiful and strong. True mastery isn't about arrogance, but continuous learning and respect for all crafts and materials. Humility opens the door to deeper wisdom.